Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency quick trading ideas, weekly trading ideas. So we will go straight to the chart and we will find trading ideas. Today, trading idea on our Telegram group was, of course, the short on the Australian dollar yen with my Black Widow method. So basically, we had a short from this spot, a clear and nice signal, and the market now is following the structure. So the Australian dollar yen is going down, and eventually, if the market drops to 75.60, we will see a potential for maybe a move up. So the Australian dollar yen is short. Outside of that, we will take a look at the euro dollar around 1875. We might be seeing a short opportunity. So basically, based on the Black Widow, this is a potential zone to trade 1857 to 1875. And if the market gets there, we might be having, of course, a short opportunity. Now, the question is how to make entries. All the entries that I make and all trades that I make are done through Black Widow system. You can take the signals from my Black Widow system by joining the ECS live, guys. So if you go to services, you will find there Forex and CFD. You can join the live channel here. And if you want to purchase it, you can go to this page and purchase Black Widow, which will be also live very, very soon. So let's get back quickly. I expect euro dollar to drop from these levels if the market, of course, proceeds with the momentum. I expect further rejection from these levels. Regarding potential longs, eventually from 1766 and 1750. New Zealand dollar is also something that I was taking a look at. We have a daily trend short, 4-hour long, and now we have a short signal here. Again, if the market gets to 65, 66, 65, 85, there we will be looking for short opportunities. Also, guys, gold, very interesting. I had some questions about gold. Gold is setting up for a nice short because all of the time frames are aligned. If we see the price moving up towards 1973 or 1984, I would definitely look for short opportunities. Have in mind that all of these setups are intraday setups, so they should happen. It would be best that they happen today or during the night. But those are levels which are very, very strong, and if the market gets there, they are extremely valid. And usually, most of the time, you will be making pips with it. GBP CAD, something that it's not very clear. Australian dollar yen, we are already short. All of my group in the Telegram channel, we are short and we are already in the money. Euro Australian dollar, nothing special here. New Zealand dollar CAD, you see, guys, this is something that could give us a short signal, but see this is almost crossing. So we don't have diverged daily trend. We have lines that are almost parallel to each other, so I would skip it. If you take a look at the daily trend here and the Australian dollar yen daily trend, see how these lines are apart here, okay? And this is very much different compared to the New Zealand dollar CAD, which lines are almost parallel to each other. So I wouldn't take this trade, definitely. GBPN, daily trend down, 4-hour up. This, the trading zone with my Black Widow is usually the ATR projection high and the level below it. So somewhere here, I would say this could be the trading level. Somewhere here, trading zone. I always take ATR projection and the level below it. Even better if the market breaks above, then we have a short or at a better price. But initially, this is the zone where I would short. At this point, I don't see any pullback towards these prices, but definitely this is a short market opportunity. DEX, very interesting. You see, we have trend which has almost, yeah, it was a perfect trend. All three time frames were aligned: daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour. And this was the opportunity to trade to the long side. Unfortunately, I missed this. So if you ask me, I would wait for the market to get to these levels, and then I would probably go long. And finally, one last potential trade which might happen is the dollar Swissy. The dollar Swissy is long, daily is long, 4 hour. Now, you see, if the market somehow drops close to these levels, 90.76, 90.58, this is the level to go long. So, guys, quick recap of my potential trading ideas. I am purely focused on my Black Widow, the newest algo based trading system that has been making money constantly the last 2 months. And I hope that you will also join our ECS live channel where I post trades with the exact trade management and the risk. Until then, guys, enjoy the free sessions and setups and talk to you soon. Cheers and trade safe.